Hello and welcome to the Duality platform. In this demo, we'll demonstrate how you can perform secure cross-department data analytics. This is particularly vital in the public sector, where decision-making requires a complete picture. But when information is scattered across different agencies, from education to health and human services and the Social Security Administration, when dealing with highly sensitive information, such as data on children with disabilities, the challenges multiply. The data remains siloed, critical research grinds to a halt, and ultimately, the people who need help most are the ones who wait. The solution? Duality. With the Duality Assistant Agent, organizations can finally bridge these gaps. Imagine being able to extract deep statistical insights or even train advanced AI models across departments without ever exposing the raw data itself. By removing these barriers, complex multi-agency research becomes simple, accessible, and efficient, all through a single interface. Duality has developed a unique solution that combines trusted execution environments and fully homomorphic encryption. By unifying these technologies, we strictly uphold the core principles of data minimization and confidentiality. This means that only the data required for a specific computation is ever processed. It also ensures that while the analyst knows the specific query, the data owner never sees which citizens are of interest. All computations are performed using these advanced privacy-preserving technologies. Your information stays encrypted from the moment it leaves a department throughout the entire calculation and is never accessible to any unauthorized party. With the Duality Assistant Agent, users can easily discover relevant tables, ask questions, and receive results through a simple and intuitive chat interface. Let's look at a real-world scenario. Imagine I'm an analyst at the U.S. Digital Service. My goal is to understand how much each local county spends on children in special education and to identify funding patterns across different agencies. I start by presenting my research question to the system, asking it to centralize all available data sources, including those held by different departments that cannot share data directly with one another. To perform a high-quality analysis, I first need to understand the data. I ask the system to show me the structure, which fields exist, the column types, and the schema for each source. I can even view synthetic data examples. This allows me to understand the meaning of the data without ever seeing real or identifying information. Now, we can begin the analysis. First, I perform a basic count calculation to see how many children appear across the databases of all three departments. The system performs a secure join between the Department of Education, Health and Human Services and the Social Security Administration. Even at this stage, no raw data leaves its home organization. Only the protected aggregate result is returned. The results show 500 children shared across all three agency databases. Now I want to understand their geographic distribution. I run a histogram calculation to see the number of children in each county. This allows me to identify gaps between different jurisdictions, seeing which counties serve a higher number of children and where additional budgetary focus might be needed. To dive deeper, I examine how many children are in each county, broken down by education stage, such as pre-K, elementary, or high school. This helps us understand the composition of the needs. For instance, whether a specific county has a high concentration of special education needs in early childhood versus later stages. Next, I want to see the financial picture. I calculate the cumulative sum of payments and stipends in each county by educational group. These insights are critical for data-driven, life-changing policy decisions, showing us exactly where the primary spending hubs are located. Finally, I can export these results to a data file for local processing or generate a report to share with colleagues. This illustrates how Duality enables cross-departmental research on the most sensitive information in a secure, controlled, and efficient manner. The platform allows you to integrate data from multiple agencies without exposing raw information, run advanced computations while maintaining total privacy, and empower decision-makers to get high-quality insights, fast and responsibly.